that's when I had Sunshine over here, and she was a little baby bird. And you remember one bird, right? She died. It was Coral who died. Because she was game sick and then she died. I don't know why she died, guys. Long time ago, I always make video with her. Sunshine too. Even you don't remember my new birds over there, right here. That's my new birds. That's why I got new birds. When I got my new bird, I was kind of happy. Okay, there's she died. Now, sometimes the one who I video on now, because guys, she died. When she died, I'm making other new videos. There's only Sunshine and my new birds over there. Hey, Sunshine. That's Sunshine. That's my bird. Sunshine. Her other eye is closing because she went to fall down here on the table, right? And then sometimes it opens. No why. Sunshine. And Sunshine's kind of cute. She's Cockatiel, of course. She's Cockatiel. Remember the last video? The last day? Long time ago. Remember that video, right? I showed you and color. Now she died. I don't know where she died right now. I don't know where she died. She just died. And then here is my own bird. No, she is a cockatiel. She is a cutie pie bird, but she's really mad. She's mad sometimes. She's so mad. I kiss her. I hug her. I hug her. She likes us doing that on here. I hug her. Cuddle, cuddle, hi, cuddle. Just gotta cuddle her. Hey, that tickles. And I clank her on like that. Honey, that's funny. That's kind of fun. Sometimes she does that on my head. What are you doing? That's kind of weird. What are you doing? What did you eat? Okay. I'm just getting that off. Now it's on my hand. What am I doing? But sometimes she does that and then it's off in her hair like that. Oh! She just slapped here. She just slapped with her wing. It's okay. Sometimes I tried her tongue on my hand when she does that noise. And here she is on my hand. That's how she looks like on my hand. She swings on my hand. She is on my hand now, guys. That is on my hand. You're right. That's why she's in my hand. On my hand, not in my hand. She's on it. Really? Real Sunshine. Sometimes she plays off everywhere in my house. Right? My house. On the house of here. And she always flies around the house like whoosh, flying around like over there and there. She got sick like Carl. But she didn't die. Then anything to do with her. Okay. What happened? Right? Nothing happened. But now I'm happy still. He's here. And we're trying to get on it. She's trying to zoom in the camera. She's trying to zoom on my camera. Because she's zooming in. She's zooming in. Sometimes I'm scared because I don't want to fall my bird. I just use on my bird. Here now. Wee. Now she can fly. Wee, she can fly. She can fly all around the world. She can fly everywhere and there. Wee. Sometimes she gets wee. Sometimes do tricky things like tricks. She doesn't do tricks because she's a bird. I said It's good, birdie. Just zoom into my camera. See, this is Sunshine. She's the bird of mine. She's the bird. Now I'm gonna take a watch. Not that way. Good. She's on here. She's really on the camera. Can you see yourself? Can you? She's coming on my hand. She's on my hand. Sometimes I'm sad because I don't have another bird. Because I don't have a bird that's here now. But sometimes you. I have a new bird, but they're too like Sunshine. Because remember the next video I thought of a new bird? She was that one. She was the bird I got. She was the only bird I got. And then with a new bird got real. Sometimes she doesn't want to go on my hand. She's a fast girl. But now, okay, I'm gonna zoom the camera to her. She's over there, see guys. This is my only pet bird. Guys, that's my only pet bird. And Sunshine is the only pet they have, like a pet. She's really cute. Kind of cute. Gotta put her on my hand right now for a minute, so that's her. Sometimes she really loves hanging on my hand here. See, I'm getting used to that. She poops on me sometimes. Every bird kind of poops on me. I guess. Before I was like cold in a bird. I wasn't. I was just like I'm a birdie sometimes. My bird gets lost. Oh, my bird. My bird sometimes. What are you doing? What are you doing climbing on my arm? Guys, she's climbing on me. She's climbing on me. She's climbing on me. She's climbing on me. Guys, my bird wants to be with me always. her like and climb. Right that day. Kutak kutak quack. Kutak kutak quack. He's a cute bird. Sometimes she doesn't get much used to being fallen. Cause she doesn't like falling off me. Sometimes she does poop everywhere. I don't know. She doesn't poop. Always poop. Sometimes poops. Come on, Sunshine. Come on, just stay there. Just stay over here. Sometimes she does go everywhere. Come on, Sunshine, you're not walking. Come on, go, fella. Not walking right now. Come on, fella. Go. Walk. Just. Sometimes you make that noise. Who's a cutie? Sometimes she gets snotty. Sometimes she's like, what's oh? But she doesn't figure out why I'm angry sometimes. Sometimes I'm not angry. Sometimes I'm gonna put her like comes on. And I have her. What to do? Sometimes she gets stuck somewhere. Even when my dad put her up. Bad girl. Stop, girl. Stop. Stop it. Stop it, girl. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. You stop it. You stop it. Okay? Now you're okay. That's fine. Oh! Are you okay? Okay. Ito ka. Okay ka lang, Sunshine. Saktan ka. Guys, she just pulled up. Oops. I tried to get her. Guys, I'm okay. Guys, this bird is so cute. Say hi. Kitty, cute, cute. Pick the book. Pick the room. She's on me. She's on me. She's on me. No. 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 Please no. 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 No, 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 don't move, don't move. Okay, I'm just gonna show you in the camera. Go. He's already a bird. She's a bird. She's a birdie. A birdie. A birdie. A birdie. Zoom into the camera. She's zooming into the camera. Zooming. I'm zooming to the camera. She's really cute. More like big cutie. Big cutie. Me. So cute. So cute. Yeah. She's getting to my. She's already here. Already top of my head. It's Sunshine. Of course. Don't let. Guys, the camera just falls down. The camera sometimes falls. Duh. Get off of me, Sunshine. No. That's a girl. She's a girl. Of course. I'm a girl. And she's a girl. You see her in the cabinet? It's a cabinet over there. And guys, not sure if this little fella, guys, the camera just fall down again for now. Now, my girl that doesn't wanna. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye. You should have seen that, guys. She just flew over there. Here, so guys, I'm gonna stay with her. Bye, guys.